How much should Barrister invest in a fund to be able to withdraw $15,000 at the end of every 3 months for 5 years? The money in the fund is expected to grow at 4.4% compounded quarterly for the first 2 years and 6.2% compounded quarterly for the next 3 years. Look at here, in this question, a company is going to invest at the beginning, okay? Then they are going to withdraw $15,000 from this investment for 5 years. They are going to withdraw $15,000 quarterly every 3 months for 5 years. Rate of interest for the first 2 years is 4.4% compounded quarterly. After that, after 2 years, during 3 years, rate is 6.2% compounded quarterly. Okay, to solve this question, I need to move backwards. I need to start from 3-year period of time, okay? Find present value of the payments I have during this 3-year period of time, okay? And then I look at this present value as a future value because I'm looking for the amount of investment at the beginning, okay? So this present value would be future value for the if the focal date is now. Then after finding present value of the payments I have during 3-year period of time, I need to look at this present value as a future value. Then by a financial calculator, I can find the present value of this future value and also the present value of the payments I have during 2-year period of time at the same time. Okay. So that would be the amount of investment. So let me share my financial calculator here. Look at here, I repeat one more time. To solve this question by financial calculator, I start from 3-year period of time. I get the present value of the payments I have during 3-year period of time with 6.2% compounded quarterly. Then this present value would be future value for now. Then by using a financial calculator, I'm going to find the present value of this future value and also present value of the payments I have during 2-year period of time at the same time. That would be the amount of investment at the beginning. Look at here, because I'm going to start from 3-year period of time. Okay, from here, look at here, during 3-year period of time, rate is 6.2% compounded quarterly. First, I need to set number of compounding in my calculator. Second, IY. Compounding is quarterly. I'm going to change PY to 4, and then enter. Now it's time to quit. Second, quit. Now, look at here, I need to enter N, IY. I'm looking for present value of the payments during 3-year period of time. I'm going to enter the size of payments, then future value, and at the end, compute PV. It would be present value of the payments during 3-year period of time. Look at here. During 3-year period of time, we have annuity. Okay. So we have some payments, equal payments occurring on regular time intervals. So how many payments do we have during 3-year period of time? Okay. So payments are quarterly. Okay. They withdraw $15,000 at the end of every 3 months quarterly. So after 3 years, the number of payments during this 3-year period of time would be 12. So 12 is total number of payments during 3-year period of time. That's N. During 3-year period of time, rate is 6.2%. So 6.2 is IY. I'm looking for PV, present value of payments during 3-year period of time. How much is the size of each payment during 3-year period of time? $15,000. That's PMT. Okay. 0 future value, and then compute PV. Look at here, we get this number, 163,104.1408. Okay, I got this number. Now, I'm going to change this number to the future value. Why? Because the focal date is now. I'm looking for the amount of investment at the beginning now. I need to change this number to a future value for now. How? I'm going to press positive, negative to change this number to a positive number, because as you know, present value and future value always have different cash flow. I change this number to a positive number. Now I'm going to press FV. Now this number is future value in the calculator. Okay. Now we are in 2-year period of time. Okay. So in 2-year period of time, number of compounding again is 4, because in 2-year period of time, rate is 4.4% compounded quarterly. I don't need to change PY. PY is still 4, but I need to change N. Why? Because we have 2 years, and in each year, 4 payments. So after 2 years, total number of payments during this period of time would be 8. So I need to change N. Okay, 8 and then N. Rate during 2-year period of time is 4.4. 4.4 is IY. Okay, I'm looking for PV. So the size of payments is still $15,000. I don't need to change that. Okay, I already entered future value. Okay, now at the same time, by using this financial calculator, I get the present value of this future value and also present value of the payments, 8 payments I have during 2-year period of time. Just I need to press compute PV. Look at here, we get 263,707.5562. And if we round to the nearest cent, we get $263,770.56. That's the amount of investment the company needs to invest at the beginning. Then they would be able to withdraw $15,000 quarterly for 5 years.